Hey guys, it's me. I had a few minutes before I lay down because my feet are already swollen from the day's work. But I wanted to jump on, do a Traveler's Notebook page with you guys. This tag is actually from a previous Citrus Twist kit. I could not even begin to think of which one, but and I don't know if she has them in stock or whatnot. I am using June's kit though to decorate, and these are just some books that I have not read Help Meet yet. I have read Share Jesus Without Fear, and if you have a minute, I highly suggest that book. This stack is pretty much exactly the same over there. Anywho, that's, I mean, it's moved a little bit, but I'm trying to get better at reading. I'm not good at it. That's the easiest way to put that. So, anyway, if you've seen the June kit, you know what we're working with here. If you haven't, this is what we're working with. But, let's see. What I was thinking is I would cover it and then trim it out, because the colors in the books lend themselves well to this yellow and pinkish color. So I'm just thinking, I did not plan any of this ahead of time, so I have no idea how long this video is going to be. I think I'm going to do this one because it kind of looks like shelves and stuff. Okay. Anyway, so you're getting the full process from me today, my friends. And, probably should have thought that through a little better, because I do not think I have a single hole punch that works very well anyway. Let's start with this edge here. Yeah, that'll be good. I'm just gonna line these corners up. Hold on there, Betsy. Hold on, is it straight? Oh, it is. No, is it? That's good. That's my other page I did in my honey bunny. Alright, so let's trim her up. And in all, what do they call it nowadays? Transparency. To be transparent with you guys. I saw that video Tori Bizzle did of no scrap your scraps. No scraps. Something scraps. Anyway, where she uses an ephemera pack, some paper, and she kills the ephemera pack and the paper. And I have kind of got hooked on that. But I will show you how far I've gotten in them. Okay. I haven't done a Traveller's Notebook in quite a while, so I'm a little unsure of this lining up correctly. This could be disastrous. Oh, all right. Worry for nothing. Okay. Get you out of the way. That's nice. Good job. Thank you. Okay, so now perfect. See, Miss Trina? I know you aren't watching this, but those little cards come in handy. That is perfect for this here picture. Perfect, I say. There, and it pops it out a little bit. So, oh, here they go. Dun, 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 dun. I hope you guys are having a great day. My Saturday's gone well. I got to see my god babies today. I got to see my girls group. And the next page I do in my Travelers Notebook is the book that we're going through in my girls group right now. So it's actually pretty good. Ooh, self-care. That's a good one. I think I can fit them. Okay, let's try it. I don't know if I should pull you guys in or not. Probably, huh? Then I'll probably be out of frame the whole time. Let's wing it. Oh, you know what? I think I'll do the tear. I wonder, like, this trend of tearing, who the heck came up with it, and why is it so awesome to me? Why? I love it. All right, let's see what we got here. I think I'm going to do self-care up here with just a little bit of the border. I want this to kind of be, because that top one's a Bible, so you can't even read the spine of it. There we go. Now you know what? I took these pictures probably because I had a ephemera piece that said on my bookshelf or something like that. So anyway, I see some books in here, so we're gonna grab it out. Ooh, lifetime learner. Like it, love it. Where you at, books? Sewing machine. I attempted a sewing machine one time. That was a failure I don't like to speak about. There they go. I don't know, it's going to blend in, isn't it? Whoa, 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 it's going to cover that hole up in it. We'll go this way with it. Then it's kind of lifetime learner there. The border kind of keeps it okay there, I think. That's probably enough for ephemera, huh? Oh, this is my extra one. Let's see what we got here. Excuse me. Oh, wow, I got tickled by the... Where's... Oh, there it goes. Ooh, let's see. Don't know about those. I was thinking peace and quiet maybe, or curled up here, but it's not really a picture of a couch or anything. It's, so I don't know if that would really work. Okay, so it's not working. I'm gonna keep moving. Let's see. Pause button's kind of good. Oh goodness. Words have power. Now, you know what I don't like to do is add these puffy ones to my Travelers, because then my Travelers nobody's like that thick. And while it's, I don't know, it's cool, it just takes up a lot of space. Shall we do the sprinkly bits? These are nice and skinny. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but good grief, look at them. That's good. These really just don't match the colors that I'm working with here, do they? Okay, so I'm going to hold tight on those. I don't know why I feel like they don't match. Here we go. There's no pink in it. Here's an orange one, and this one will go. Pink? No, there's no pink in there. Oh my goodness, the baby's just kicking me. What you kicking me for, Serenity? Oh, there we go. I like that. Okay. Okay, so nothing extravagant. Nothing mind-blowing. But I think the background kind of took care of most of it. It's just really, really busy. So, anywho, let me show you the cards real quick. So, this is my first batch. 17 cards. I already threw the paper pad away and the ephemera piece, but the ephemera piece were these. Not that one. Like chalkboard looking ones. And this was a Valentine's Day pack. So, you know, I don't make Valentine's Day cards. But that's okay, because most of them say I'm praying, I love you, have faith, smile, hey, I love you, you are loved, stuff like that. So that's 17 cards I have just for my stash, which had actually been getting a little bit low. And then I have these I'm sort of kind of compiling together as I have a few minutes after work or whatnot. And that is this cardstock paper pad, completely emptied. And these were used, these paper pads, excuse me, in this ephemera pack from Faith. But I used all of it. There's a few pieces here and there. You know, like if I cut a banner out, you know, but it's not substantial, is what I should say. It's not a substantial scrap. So it's not one anyone would save anyway. So that's that. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And, you know, don't forget to get yourself some crafty time in. See you later. Bye.